Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to share you on how to put pictures shark is eating human. Just click the notification bell below if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. And now this is the part which I make. And now let's get started. Click the PicsArt. And this is loading, and click pre-trial and click the plus sign. This is the white background that I choose from the color. And let's check the feet. Go to ratio 16:9 and click the check sign. And this is the size, and click stickers, type coral reef. Let's choose the coral reef from here. I choose the turtle. Where's the turtle? Coral reef. No, not the turtle, this one at first. And make it the ratio of 16:9 and click the opacity and click save. And click the turtle one. And choose the opacity from 48 and choose the saturation 89, 100, -100, and contrast negative. Just wait, I'm checking something. +4. And saturation is -51. Clarity -18, and who I'm checking +35, and highlights I'm checking also -49. Shadow -78, and temperature is, put it -100 and click like this. And now let's find something. Discover, search shark. And this is also the stickers of sharks, and I will choose this one, the shark with an open mouth. And let's go to the drag it down and make it little bit big like this. Just zoom in and click the view which you want and make it 65. I'm checking -21, put it at -21, and saturation is -9. Who +2, and highlights checking -43, and temperature -57, and contrast +60. Clarity is 16, and the highlights brightness is -7, and click the plus sign. I am in check sign, and now this is look like. And let's add that picture. And go to the person and brush it a little bit. Click the check sign, and now let's erase it like that. Just continue, and this is look like. Rotate it and put it in the mouth of the shark, and zoom in a little bit so that you can see it properly. Zoom in and erase it again. Erase it from the shoulder so that the teeth of the shark is well shown, and from down of the shoulder just erase it like that also. And this is look like. The shark is eating human. And let's go to the opacity. 80. Put it 80. Adjust. Clarity. Put it 0, and contrast. Plus 27. Brightness. -8. Who. Plus 12. Highlights. Plus 7. And temperature is -58. And this is look like. And then click the check sign. And now let's search something again. Blood. I will choose the right side, this one, and I will put it in the mouth of the shark, and I will erase something like this. And erase it again a little bit. Rotate it a little bit from up. Drag it down so that it will look good, long. And if you want to make it smaller, just press the circle sign from the right side and both. And duplicate so that you can take you can make it more. If you want to duplicate, you can add more, and I just add one. The man is moving, so I will drag it down a little bit down there. So let's put the clarity at 62, and it's not so visible like so much red. Opacity 45. Oh no, 67. And again I will put it back a little bit like this. I'm turning it around so that we can put it properly, looking good, something like this. And now let's erase a little bit like that. Restore if you erase a lot. And this is our human, shark eating human, with the blood coming out from the mouth of the shark, with a background of turtle and fishes. Now let's search also fish. So go to, I choose this coral. And I choose opacity within 62. And opacity of the human also is, I put 76. I'm looking something if it's good from here. So let's check again, search shark. So I will choose this 2 shark. Downloading. Just wait for a while. And drag it somewhere which the place is good. Like as you can see from here, and opacity again is 64. And this is look like. And I will search again shark. Okay, let's change it to dolphin. So this is the 2 dolphin. And opacity again is 76. And highlights -35. Saturation 0. Hue -38. Highlights -62. And shadows -48. And click the plus sign, I mean check sign. I just drag it from the right side. And this is our shark and dolphin. And let's go to retouch, but no need to retouch anything. But if you want to retouch something, then just go there. Again, let's search jellyfish. I will choose the blue one, jellyfish, so that the color of the water and the jellyfish is same. So you can make it longer or smaller one like this. And rotate it. The rotate one is this arrow, the rotated arrow. If you want to rotate something. And let's search again shark. I love shark. Always searching for shark. Okay, let's check something here. I will add this one. And let's put it in the top. And clarity, opacity is 90. Clarity is 86. Saturation plus 42. And this is our bloody human, with the shark is eating human. This is our creation. If you want to add something, and then you can add more. And let's search again. Splash water or water splash. So this is our water splash, and I will choose this in the middle, this one, and zoom in a little bit. Opacity is 67, and erase some part which is covering our picture of human, like this, and erase it a little bit, and go to the make it opacity is 43. Rotate it a little bit. You can make it bigger or a little bit smaller, and erase some part. I erase it from the left side, and go to opacity 43. And again erase this one and restore a little bit. It's moving. Now erase from down little, and this is our final editing. This is look like our shark and a human and blood and some stickers. Thank you everyone, hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.